Okay, so today we have this All-Star pack. And it shows the first card, but 25 cards. Let's open it.
Here's cut. And
Cover Devin Booker. Here we go.
okay, so we got the Devin Booker. We saw that. Okay, so that's a decent card. And next we got Chris Paul. I don't know what year this is, and then Alonzo Mourning. That's pretty good, but Jerry Stackhouse. Okay. And then Paul Gasol. We have about like 20 more cards left, I think so. And then next we have Dennis Rodman on the Spurs. And these are from all time. And they're just like pretty good players. And then we have Zach LaVine. And then Yao Ming. That's pretty good. And then Serge Ibaka. I don't know. That's decent. And then Grant Hill. That's really good.
I bought Vlade Divac. That's what they used to tell me.
Next, we have Al Horford on the 76ers.
Oh.
And then Ray Allen. And then Chris Mullin. Then Russell Westbrook. And then we got Kevin Love. Oh, Kevin Garnett. That's a good card. And then this guy, Stephen Marbury.
Oh, Steph Marbury. He was a Timberwolf.
And Shaquille O'Neal. That's pretty good. Steve Nash. Eric Bledsoe. Jimmy Butler. Dikembe Mutombo. Chris Webber. And Kemba Walker.